How to play Palworld on low-end PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this instructional video presentation, I'll guide you through the process of optimizing Palworld gameplay on a low-end PC. It's really crucial to adjust various graphic settings to enhance performance. While Palworld isn't tailored for the lower-end PCs, I'll demonstrate troubleshooting techniques to potentially boost FPS. However, achieving both visual quality and smooth gameplay may be challenging due to the compatibility issues with the low-end hardware. For the optimal performance, consider setting the game to the lowest preset and playing in the windowed mode on a small screen. Although this setup may not be ideal, it's currently the most viable option for the low-end PC users. Screen resolution play a vital role in performance, while the adjustments like the texture quality may have a minimal impact compared to the options like anti-aliasing, view distance, and grass details. Despite the limitations of these basic settings, tweaking game files won't significantly improve the performance. The key lies in adapting to the minimal rendering distance and hidden modals, which can alleviate the strain on your system. Experiment with these adjustments to potentially absorb the performance gains. And if you encounter issues on Xbox or Steam, consider verifying and repairing game files through the respective platforms. By following these guidelines, you can optimize the Palworld gameplay on low-end PCs. Your feedback is valuable, so remember to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.